Have you ever wanted to take your stories to the next level? Or have you ever wanted to learn how to make video games, but you just simply don't know where to start? Well, you've come to the right place. Here at the Indie Dev, you will get a crash course in everything game development, design, to code, to art, and more. By the time you're done, you will be well on your way in the world of game development. My focus will specifically be on programs that are free, as I know the financial struggle of being a freelance game developer, but I'm also a firm believer that education should be free. If this is something that you are interested in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell below to begin your quest. But more importantly, I also want to make a remark that if you are new to the YouTube channel, I also do have a TikTok, and in that TikTok it is more of a slower side of game development through skits, funny comedy, and that type of thing. So if you're something more interested in that, please feel free to check that out. I would love to interact with you guys on that platform as well. And the same remark goes to anybody that's from TikTok. Welcome to the YouTube channel. I know we have talked about this before, but I do look forward to helping guide you on your journey. But without further ado, let's get at it.